Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is just a little preview of just a CPU swap when you're doing on an iPhone. And I'm just going to go in a little bit of detail here. So basically, all these pads that you're seeing are non-connected pads. They don't go to nothing. Ones that are missing. As long as you get a flat surface, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this under the microscope here. I'll try. You can see how flat the surface. You can see the reflection off the capacitors there. And that's basically what you want, a flat surface all around for replacing or reballing the CPU. What we're going to do is just zoom in on some of these pads here. Just give you a little overview of what it looks like. Granted, this board has not been cleaned yet, so as you can see, there's still flux and stuff on the board. But I mean, you see all the pads there, they're perfectly wicked. There's no solder sitting on the pads or anything. Pretty strange pattern, if you ask me. A little kind of circle, star, circle, star. And then you got all circles on the ends. So basically, that's just a little quick video of the CPU reball. I'll probably do a couple videos on this, how to do it, but it is very painful process, time consuming. So if you guys get a chance, please subscribe, give this a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.